squishy heroes behind. Ito na, which is now happening. Active na ngayon yung electrifying beats. Pwede nang iputok anytime soon. At ito na yung Lord, kumakatok na sa crystal. Lock tower ba? Lock tower, yung mga gladiators. Will it happen? Will they secure the first game? Tumamba na dito si Risha. Penalty zone sa gitna. Sabay na ba sa electrifying beats? Went up placing to it. Oh my gloves! MIP2! Turning situations up para sa mga gladiators. Miscalculations. Minor major mistake pala yun. Hindi pala major mistake yun, tol. Endable game para dito sa mga MIP2. Aarangkad at diretso nila to, pare. Pero si si Rice natin dito, mga tol. Sportsmanship. Deadly Magic with Immortal Coin, sabay Ashura Aura. Eto na, sasagutin dito si Kuya Del. Tugnas ang pa-organize ng Harley. Kapalit Nino ng wala. Ito na yung suplex, napakaganda added turret, sabay Swallow's Path, mula kay Mika to, heavy spin, blocking all the way, na pwede pasukan nila to reach out for the ward, and that was a beautiful save, mula kay Kuya Kali, no? Aizanas falling low, very quickly, Tyrant's Rage, mula kay Miracle, under the turret, won't be able to fight back, Tempest of Blades was still not gonna be enough to survive and to fight back, double kill yung mga hiwa ni Kuya Klein at pagputok na ginagawa dito, and honestly, very efficient to have this Angela. Heavy spin mula kay Del, sabay recall sa likodan, Stranger but Def sa to go down, tugnas talaga, sabay lipad na napakatayog na naman si Kuya Shenzo with the crossbow of Tang, isolated that Rizla. There's the puncture with Torn Throw, sabay Phantom Executions, won't be able to survive. Ang hapdi na ng mga karayom ni Shenzo eh, hindi na ganun kadaling A-burst, matutumba na naman dito si Kuya mo Admiral with a poke, sabi BMI out will not be enough to save his life, and Risha is alive na naig with an outnumbered situations, no? Tawag si A2 versus 1, sabay outplay mula sa bandang kataas. Will it happen? Klein is falling low, nakikipagsabayan dito yung Pakito na si Hijin, sabay strike, knockout strike with a jump, pero won't be able to survive with a 1v1 situation. Nilabasan ni Kuya Klein ng brief, diba? Nilabas yung brief. DX Gladiators are now back online. Onward flicker with that circling eagle is a prank. Pero falling low dito si Ali. Natugnas na sabay penalty zone mula kay Sazerac. Lock Tower. Si Kuya mo Chamyu successful and being the first champion for the first season ang mga DX Gladiators. Okay.
Left stroke just went viral.